everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you another refreshing drink, and I'm going to make a refreshing drink with Rooh Afza. It's Rooh Afza Sharbat. Back home it's very popular. People loves it, and I'm going to make it 3 different ways and I'm going to share with you, and please try it and please let me know which one you like it. As for my personal choice, I like it with Dahi Rooh Afza, curd. It's a homemade dahi. How I make homemade dahi, please check it out in my video. I'm going to use 2 big scoops of dahi. You always add sugar according to taste. When it comes to Rooh Afza syrup, Rooh Afza Sharbat has a lot of sugar inside. I'm going to use like a 2 tablespoons, and you always adjust according to your taste, and some ice. And we're going to start it. It's all done. It does not take that long. This is a good thing with the dahi. If the kids are not used to, you can make this one and kids will love it. And now I'm going to share with you the second. So with the milk, we will add 1 tablespoon, and you can adjust according to taste. And this is very easy and simple. This is with the water. We'll add some ice. It's a good idea that add ice later, because then it's easier to mix it, but I prefer this way. I'm using vitamin D milk. It's a regular milk. You can use a low fat, whatever you prefer. Stir it. I'll start with the water also. Back home in India, in summer days, this was the most refreshing drink in hot summer days. And then this was the special occasion with the milk. This is a thick spread. It takes a little time. Once it's fully dissolved, so you stir it nicely. So all 3 refreshing drinks made with the Rooh Afza are ready. You can try with water. So good. And with the milk, very tasty. And with the dahi, that's my favorite. Why I say the favorite? It gives me a creamy texture when you drink it. All 3 of them are outstanding, but this is my personal best. Please try it. I hope you're going to like this drink during hot summer days. Your kids will love it. And this Rooh Afza, I'll provide the link under my description. It's readily available in the Indian market, but you can buy on Amazon link. I'll provide you the link. So thank you for joining Easy Steps, and I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Bye-bye.